In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhiteBIT in Tradingview. This is a great way to get a full-fledged trading experience on one of the most popular charting platforms, and it's quite simple to set up. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just starting, this guide will help you get connected and start trading with ease. First, let's navigate to Tradingview. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Tradingview website. If you haven't already, consider logging into your account or signing up if you don't have one. Having an account allows you to save your settings and preferences, making for a more seamless experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find a variety of options and tools catered to chart analysis and trading strategies. Next, let's move on to the Superchart feature. You can find this on TradingView's main interface. It's the central hub for viewing price charts and applying technical analysis. Click on the Superchart and it will take you to a more detailed chart view, where you can see patterns, indicators, and other essential analyses. This is where you'll spend most of your time making informed trading decisions. Once you've accessed the Superchart, it's time to use the Trading panel. Look towards the bottom of your screen and you'll see the Trading panel tab. Click on it. This opens up a section of TradingView that allows you to connect with brokers and execute trades directly from the platform. It makes trading more integrated, as you can analyze and act on the same screen without needing to switch between different applications. After the trading panel has opened, you'll want to click on the option that reads Show All Brokers. This will display a list of brokerages that TradingView supports, enabling connections directly through the platform. It's a great way to get an overview of all available options that work seamlessly with TradingView. Now, in this list of brokers, locate WhiteBIT. It should be listed among many other brokerages, each offering different services and tools for trading. Once you find WhiteBIT, click on it to initiate the connection process. This step is vital as it establishes the live data feed between WhiteBIT and your TradingView account. And there you have it. Your TradingView account should now be linked with WhiteBIT, allowing you to trade and monitor market activity directly from your charts. This integrated approach saves time and enhances your trading efficiency. Remember, if you encounter any issues, both TradingView and WhiteBIT have support services to assist you. So, go ahead and explore this feature and enjoy a more streamlined and powerful trading experience. Happy trading!